Talking and staying about the Aam Aadmi Party, let's talk about the Delhi High Court, which is later in the day expected and scheduled to pronounce its verdict on the bail pleas of the former Deputy CM of Delhi, Manish Sisodia. Where the court is likely to pronounce an order on Sisodia's bail plea in both the CBI and the ED cases against him, and that's going to be expected at around 5 p.m. as the High Court, which had previously reserved its order on Sisodia's plea on the 14th of May after hearing arguments from both sides. Sisodia, who had approached the High Court after he was denied relief by the trial court, which had rejected his plea on the grounds that there was a concerted effort by Sisodia and other co-accused to delay the trial in the case. In the High Court, Sisodia's counsel referred to the Supreme Court ruling to argue that prolonged incarceration is impermissible and emphasized the right to a speedy trial is a fundamental right. Sisodia's lawyers have also alleged deliberate delays in the trial process and has highlighted that Manish Sisodia has spent more than 14 months already in custody. They also contended that the trial in the case has not commenced and was unlikely to begin soon as the arrests are still happening. The ED and the CBI, meanwhile, have opposed bail to Manish Sisodia, asserting that he played a key role in the alleged liquor scam and has increased the profit margin without any rationale. Even when it comes to the probe agencies, having also argued that Manish Sisodia, being a leader of a party in power and thereby holds an influential position, can possibly tamper with evidence and influence other witnesses in the case. We have Rame joining us live right now. Rame, in the evening, almost by 5 p.m., we're expecting the Delhi High Court order as far as if there would be any relief coming in the way for Manish Sisodia or not.
Absolutely, at 5 p.m. the single judge bench of Justice Swant Kanta Sharma is all set to deliver its verdict in the bail pleas filed by the Aam Aadmi Party leader Manish Sisodia in the CBI as well as the ED case. Now, the main contention of this case was that recently the trial court, the special CBI judge Kaveri Baveja, had dismissed the bail applications of Manish Sisodia in both the CBI and ED cases. The trial court had refused him bail. After this, he moved the Delhi High Court challenging this trial court's order. Now, in the trial court order, it was stated that it was a conspiracy hatched by all the accused people together. It was that there was delay in the trial to proceed. So this delay was, the onus of this delay was put on all the accused together involving Manish Sisodia. So now this was challenged before the Delhi High Court. The trial court had refused him any relief because the Supreme Court had taken an undertaking while they had dismissed the Manish Sisodia's bail application, stating that ED will conclude the trial within a limited period of time. So a specific time period was given. However, trial has not even started yet. Even the framing of charges has not even started yet. So on this ground, Manish Sisodia had moved his bail application before the trial court. Now the trial court stated the trial couldn't commence, the trial couldn't proceed because there was a delay on the part of accused people themselves. So how can the trial proceed? So on this they dismissed the bail application.
तो हमने देखा है कि आज शाम को करीबन 5 बजे का वक्त बताया जा रहा है. As far as the verdict now in this case is concerned, whether Manish Sisodia will be getting any relief or not, that will be decided in the court. Rame, thank you very much for joining in. You're watching Times Now. We will be back after a short break.
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Scratch resistant also.
But plates?
Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स. टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो.